full effect, yo, and cats are wilding. I don't know if you could see. This guy's stuck in the snow straight up. Straight up. He's been struggling out there for a while. And I don't know if someone's coming to help him. I would help, but kind of hurt my back. Okay. So I think this dude's gonna have to park, man. I don't know where else he's gonna go. Serious inches out there. Serious inches of snow. And the roads are pretty bad. At least these side roads where I am. In Rentler, New York. This is about 1 o'clock Tuesday. Let's see what's happening out here. Okay. Good Samaritan. I don't know if this guy's gonna make it, man. Even if he gets out of there, he's gonna have to deal with the elements further up the road, you know? And these cats are wilding. So I guess we'll see what happens here. Okay. With serious weather conditions. I'm gonna go get that guy a cold one. See what happens here. He can even get out. Just gotta ease back into it. See if he can do it. Hoping he can. I'm rooting for him. Like I said, my back hurts, okay? Car does not sound good, man. Holy shoot. Struggling. Struggling. Let's see. He's not going anywhere, man. That is tight. My Lord. Crazy conditions here. Can he do it? Here we go. A little push. Bout it. Like I said, I don't know where he's gonna go from here, man. He's got to park that car and call it a wrap. My Lord. Oh my God. I kind of want to see, right? I want to kind of cue the suspenseful music. Can he do it? I don't know. He's just got to park that whip. My Lord. Dude's wrecking his transmission straight up. Does not sound good. Good God. Just gotta park it, yo. Alright, man, I'm getting tired. There's a dog with a doggy. There we go. There we go. A Can't see anymore. Just had to torque it.